Right, so now you've got your PlayStation 5 and a PlayStation 5 Pro set up. You probably want to transfer your SSD information from the old one to the new one, unless you want to spend hours for it to do it itself over the internet. So I've actually forgotten how you remove this cover. I have no idea how you remove this one. So I'm adding to the video. So if you've got this drive, probably the same if you don't, to be honest. You lay it upside down. So you've got front of the machine, top, disk drive. Opposite the disk drive, diagonally, you want to lift up, not in the corner there, but just about an inch in, because there's a catch. And then you want to slide this whole thing this way. So you want to support your hand there, in my case, a foot. Lift up and slide down. And it's literally as simple as that. Because the catches face up. So when you slide down, they just lift away. And there is the drive. So you want to get yourself a screwdriver and simply unscrew this. It's very, very simple, and it takes very little time. You want to turn the console off before doing this, and discharge yourself on something metal, which I've already done. Can't remember how you get that off. Very nice. So this is off, that is not, and then a little screw there, and take that. When it comes to the PlayStation 5 Pro, the mechanism for lifting it up and away isn't so important. So looking at the front of the machine, this is the bottom, the feet, so it'll be lying over like that. What you want to do, so this, right, just to make sure, this one here, and there's catches at the back which pivot, so do not try and pull open from the back because you will snap the catches. So you want to lift from the front here. There's two catches about here and here. So I find that the bottom one's harder, but it seems to like go and allow the others to pop off. So you can literally, it seems a bit brutal, pop it off like that. It is a bit brutal, but if you actually look at the catches, so that's how it came off. You have the hinges there, which will snap. And then the catches are just simple catches, so I don't think there's a better way of doing it than that. And that gives you access to your SSD. So now you've transferred your SSD to the new console, align the clips at the back, slot in, like so, and then just shut, he says. I've put them in the wrong place. So that one there fits in with the top one, which is actually kind of easy when you see it. And then just make sure all those clips are in. They're a bit stiff because they're brand new.